Victory's coming.
Victory's coming.
Corey Green here with a tree surgeon, and we're about to, well, Corey is about to hitch out the top of this head on this gnarly star pine, and I am going to lower the rope one-handed, and I will show you how you do it after I get this little area cleaned up. There we go. You want it underneath or above? Can you cut that limb off? See where the rope's interfering? Or do you want that there?
It's fine. It don't matter. It's so light anyway.
So here we're going to, hold on, I need to wrap this, Corey. I need to get some slack. So I wrap that like that. Was that a crack? I got it one-handed here. Here we have Corey up here. Are you ready to jump? You want it tight? Let me get it a little tighter, yeah. About right there. I think I'm holding you up.
Holding me up?
Yeah.
Holding the tree up? I wouldn't doubt it.
There goes the All-Star. Gonna take it out nice and slow, so it just peels down nice and slow. There it goes. Whoa, that's a tree shaker right there.
That's it, brother.
That's a tree shaker.
I knew it was gonna.
I knew it was coming too.
That's a good thing I rode in bulls when I was a kid. I know how to ride this.
Lowering it one-handed.
So those branches break off. Oh, these trees are brittle.
Yeah, they're brittle.
Couldn't tell I was nervous about it.
I wasn't expecting that ride.
Oh, I was. I got prepared for it.
A guy broke his back on a ride like that,
Huh?
heading out of Eucalyptus.
Your buddy, yeah.
No, it's on YouTube as well.
Really?
Paralyzed. Broke his back all the way up. It was like 80 feet in the air. He had to be rescued.
You gotta know how to prepare for that.
Do you want to have me just zip some head off that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I got it now.
Visit a tree surgeon at www.atreesurgeon.com.